Merry Christmas everyone, I'm Dave Wood, Scouse-Scot, and I host the Semiosis 101 YouTube channel. Each week on Semiosis 101, I post an explainer video for illustrators and designers on an aspect of Charles Sanders Peirce's pragmatic semiotic theory of semiosis. In season 1 of Semiosis 101 videos, I've explained how by applying Peirce's semiosis, designers and illustrators can enhance your visual communication to your target audiences. The first season of 20 videos will be concluding in February 2023, so in March 2023 I'll be launching season 2. I have lots of ideas for the next 20 semiotic videos, but I'll be happy to answer your semiotic questions in these new videos. What would you like to know about semiotics and visual communication? Add a question below in the comments letting me know what semiotic questions you want answering on Semiosis 101 in 2023. And check out the Semiosis 101 YouTube channel over the Christmas holidays for new daily 15 to 60 second semiotic YouTube shorts.